Right, bonus treat for today. Luisa and I are going to do the wrap challenge for this week at the same time. So we're going with front cross carry. We've lovingly watched the Wrap You in Love video, which we'll also link because clearly she's just a little bit better than us two. So off we go.
Okay, so I'm using a size 6 wrapper hula, which is one of the library slings, and
I've got a size 7 Luna, another one of the library slings.
Okay, so what you want to do is find your middle marker, which is normally a little label in the middle of the wrap, and place it behind your back.
So you're aiming for the middle marker in the middle of your back.
Okay. Like so.
And then you're going to cross these over your shoulders, making a cross at the front.
So if any of you have used a stretchy wrap or a kaboo before, you might find that this one's quite a nice one to do because it's very similar in terms of getting the baby in to the wrap, and it also has a sort of pre-tied element to it, which makes the tightening a little bit easier as well.
So once you've done your cross at the front, you're going to cross over at the back as well, and then these bits are going to loop under the front cross.
Okay, so should feel quite comfortable. Try and get the pass as straight as you can. It'll make it easier once you've got the baby in.
If you have a nice stripy one like me, it's easier to work out where you're going to be tightening because you can see that pink is going to pull pink and orange is going to pull orange.
Another thing to mention at this point is that you only need enough space just to get baby in, so you can tighten it a little bit more before you get baby in. I've got an outside cross and an inside cross, so I'm going to pick baby up, put baby on the side of the outside cross, and slide leg into the inside cross.
So you have them nice and high on your shoulder, look like you're winding them. And then we're gonna
slide my hand inside. Look. Bring it down.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And then you get your outside of your pass and you're gonna spread it across their back, going from knee to knee.
You go for the inside cross first, though, spreading it.
Yeah. And up to their neck. Now this is actually take 2 of this video, and they were quite well behaved last time, so we'll see what happens. Not because we didn't do a great job, by the way, you just couldn't see us very well.
Making sure that both their hands are up as well at the time so that they can chew. Sometimes the material gets a bit stuck underneath there, so you need to do it with the tug across.
So once you've got them in comfortably with knee and knee, it's time to start tightening. I want to get your shoulders comfy.
Okay. So I'm just going to gather all my tail and just give it a good pull first of all. Same on the other side. It feels really secure, this this carry, and it already feels quite tight.
And then you've got some choices. You can flip your shoulders either in or out, or you can leave them like that. And then you want to do some strand by strand tightening.
There we go.
Yes. And then when you're ready, you'll go under the legs. And do a double knot. And then if you haven't flipped the shoulders, you've probably got sufficient spare that if you fall asleep, you can tuck their head in.
Or you could fold down and do a shoulder flip like that.
But don't do it when your baby's awake or they will complain. and see how pleased my back is. Not too bad, I've seen worse.
No. I actually think it's a really comfortable, supportive carry, and quite an easy one to do. Probably a good one to do after you've mastered the
Front rack cross carry. After a wonderful effort last week.
Even though babies have been in this 3 times now, they're not too bad.
Okie dokie.
Say hi, Chloe. She's turned the other way.
Say hi
Happy
to Eliza.
babies.
Mwah.
Bye.